I just found a free application that will pay you over 900 and get you free PayPal money without any investment or any knowledge needed. I will show you how you can do that today. This is now one of the simplest ways to make money online. So how can you do it? This is how to earn $940 per day in free PayPal money. I will teach you how you can earn from this on autopilot, so you will earn even more money without any work. This is one of the best ways to make money online. It is super simple and easy, but you have to set it up right and you can start making money while doing anything you want. Make sure to keep watching because I will show you how to do it. You don't need any prior experience to get started with this. This method is completely free, which means that you don't need to invest any money in the beginning. This method is completely free, which means that you don't need to invest any money in the beginning. Also, this method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are from. You will be able to make money with this method. All you need is your smartphone or your computer to start earning money every day with this method. Now, before we start with the video, welcome to Simple Money, where we teach you how to make money every week. If you get some value out of this video, make sure to leave a like on it and consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell on. In that way you will always be notified when I upload a new money making method, and you can be first to use it and of course make the most money. And don't forget that I will give you a special bonus at the end of this video, which will allow you to double or even triple your income from this website. So make sure to watch this video until the end to not miss any of my tips and bonuses in this video. Now let's start with the method. Step number 1 for you will be to go to this website called X. You don't need to struggle on the internet to find the websites that you need, because I have left you all the links that you will need in this video down below in the description. So work smarter and feel free to click on the links from the description. Also, you can come to this website through Google. On Google you need to search for x.io. When you hit enter, Google will show you these results. You need to click on the first result that appears on this page, and as you can see, that is this one. Now, before we start doing anything with this website, you need to make sure that you have a PayPal account, because you will need it to receive your payments from this website. If you don't have a PayPal account, you need to go to their website, and I will show you how to create an absolutely free account. To create a free PayPal account here on the PayPal website, you need to go to the blue sign up button. It will then take you to this page where you need to choose if you want to create a personal or a business PayPal account. You will probably want to create a personal account, and when you click on that, it will send you to this page where you need to fill out all the required information. Then you will be able to log into your brand new PayPal account, which you can use to withdraw your earnings from this website that will pay you free PayPal money. As you can see, when you scroll down a little bit on this website, there are more payment options to choose. If you don't want to choose PayPal, or PayPal is not available in your country, besides PayPal you can also get paid through Pay-ahead and several more options. If you want to get paid through PayPal, you can choose it. As soon as you make your first $5, you can cash out your earnings immediately through PayPal or any other option that you prefer. Now, to show you that this actually works, I want to show you some payment proofs from this website. If you click on this button that says payment proof, then you can see this. This is a list of people that cash out their earnings from this website. As you can see, people are cashing out from this website almost every minute. They are getting paid through different payment options such as PayPal, Paytm, Bitcoin and many others. Also, people that are getting paid are living all around the world. So as you can see, this is a 100% worldwide available method.